Imagine a future where XRP is at the center of mainstream finance, not just as a digital asset, but as a regulated, tradable instrument available to institutional and retail investors alike. The world is watching as crypto ETFs, exchange-traded funds, become the bridge between traditional finance and the cryptocurrency market. With Bitcoin and Ethereum paving the way, it's only a matter of time before XRP follows suit. But what are the signs that point to this becoming a reality? Today, we're diving into the prominent signals that the financial market is preparing for the launch of an XRP ETF. Hello everyone watching from across the globe. Welcome back to another exciting episode on Zaki Crypto Update, your best source for everything happening in the crypto world. Today, we've got a deep dive for you that could shape the future of XRP in ways you've never imagined. We're talking about the potential XRP ETF, a massive development in the world of finance that could take the token to new heights. And this is no baseless speculation. There are clear signs that the market is moving in that direction, and today, we'll break them down in detail for you. But before we dive into the specifics, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future updates. By the end of this video, you'll have a full understanding of why this XRP ETF could be a game changer for the crypto space and your portfolio. So stick around till the end, you won't want to miss a second of this analysis. What if I told you that the moves we're seeing from some of the biggest names in asset management, Grayscale, Bitwise, Canary Capital, are all pointing toward one thing: the approval of an XRP ETF. Stay tuned as we break down the actions that these major players are taking, the upcoming Ripple Swell event, and how BlackRock's CEO, Larry Fink, may have hinted at this months ago. XRP holders, it's time to pay attention. The anticipation for an XRP ETF has been building for months. After the approvals of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs earlier this year, many within the XRP community began speculating that their beloved asset would be next in line. And that speculation is turning into concrete belief as signs of XRP ETF preparation become more prominent. One of the biggest signals that the market is getting ready for an XRP ETF came just recently. In September, Grayscale, the leading crypto asset manager, made a significant move by opening an XRP trust. This is huge because Grayscale has a reputation for turning its crypto trusts into ETFs, which is exactly what happened with their Bitcoin trust. So, when they opened their XRP trust, it sparked rumors and excitement that an XRP ETF might not be far behind. But Grayscale isn't the only one making moves in this space. Bitwise, another well-known player in the crypto market, submitted its application for an XRP ETF with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, on October 2nd. This is a bold move because, as many commentators have noted, the current SEC chairman has been somewhat resistant to approving new crypto ETFs. In fact, some analysts believe that Bitwise is making this move in anticipation of a change in U.S. political leadership, possibly betting on Donald Trump's return to office, which could lead to a more favorable regulatory environment. Yet, Bitwise isn't alone in this race. Just a few days after Bitwise's application, Canary Capital followed suit, submitting their own application for an XRP ETF with the SEC on October 8. Now, this is particularly interesting because it's Canary's first venture into digital assets. The move is being spearheaded by Stephen McClurg, a big name in the asset management world, who cited strong investor demand for alternatives to Bitcoin and Ethereum. This marks a significant moment for XRP, as it suggests that traditional finance is increasingly looking to diversify beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum into other digital assets like XRP. As if that wasn't enough, the upcoming Ripple Swell event, an annual conference hosted by Ripple, is set to feature discussions specifically focused on crypto ETFs. This year's event, which kicks off on October 14th, is expected to be a hotbed for discussions on the future of XRP and its potential as an ETF. Bloomberg's Eric Balchunas, a senior ETF analyst, will host a session on the topic, joined by industry executives from companies like Bitwise and State Street Global Advisors. These are big names with serious influence, and their involvement in discussions around XRP ETFs adds weight to the idea that something big is coming. Now, let's take a step back to early 2024 before these XRP ETF filings became headline news. Back in January, Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, was asked during an interview with Fox about the possibility of the company filing for an XRP ETF. His response? Well, he avoided giving a direct answer. Instead of expressing either optimism or ruling it out, he took a very cautious stance and refrained from commenting. At the time, XRP enthusiasts saw this as a subtle hint that BlackRock might be considering an XRP ETF in the future. Similarly, Ripple's own CEO took a conservative approach when asked about an XRP ETF during a February interview. However, a few months later, he made a much bolder statement, saying that an XRP ETF is inevitable. This shift in tone from the leaders of major financial institutions and Ripple itself has fueled optimism within the XRP community. So, what do all these signs mean? Let's connect the dots. You have major asset managers like Grayscale and Bitwise making concrete moves toward an XRP ETF, with Canary Capital joining the race. You've got Ripple swell, where crypto ETFs are going to be a hot topic. And finally, you have industry leaders like Larry Fink and Ripple's CEO hinting that an XRP ETF is not a question of if but when. But what could an XRP ETF mean for the broader market? For starters, it would open up XRP to a whole new class of investors, those who may not feel comfortable buying and holding the digital asset directly but are more than willing to invest through an ETF. This could drive significant demand for XRP, pushing up its price and solidifying its position as one of the top digital assets in the world. An XRP ETF would also provide a level of legitimacy and regulatory clarity that the asset has long been seeking. With an ETF in place, XRP would be under the same regulatory umbrella as Bitcoin and Ethereum, making it more attractive to institutional investors who have been sitting on the sidelines due to regulatory uncertainty. Now, if you're as excited about the potential for an XRP ETF as we are, make sure to smash that like button. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on this topic or any other important crypto news. There's a lot more to come, and trust me, you'll want to stay in the loop. Let's also talk about what this means for the XRP community. For years, the XRP Army has been one of the most loyal and passionate groups in the crypto space. They've stood by XRP through thick and thin, through regulatory challenges, market dips, and everything in between. The potential for an XRP ETF is validation for all the patience and persistence the community has shown. It's a sign that XRP is finally being recognized for the important role it can play in the financial system. But the journey isn't over yet. While these signs are promising, there are still hurdles to overcome. The SEC, under its current leadership, hasn't exactly been quick to approve new crypto ETFs, especially for assets that are not Bitcoin or Ethereum. However, the fact that multiple asset managers are filing for an XRP ETF shows that there is confidence that regulatory conditions will eventually shift in favor of approval. Another factor to consider is the broader market environment. The success of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs will play a crucial role in how quickly other crypto ETFs, like XRP, get approved. If Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs continue to perform well and demonstrate that they can operate within the regulatory framework without major issues, it will pave the way for other assets to follow. Additionally, the 2024 U.S. presidential election could play a significant role in shaping the regulatory landscape for crypto ETFs. If we see a change in administration, it could lead to a more crypto-friendly SEC, which would increase the likelihood of an XRP ETF being approved. This is why Bitwise's decision to file for an XRP ETF now is seen by some as a strategic bet on future political changes. Before we wrap things up, I want to hear from you. Do you think we'll see an XRP ETF approved in the near future? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And don't forget, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you stay updated on all things crypto. We've got more in-depth analyses and updates coming your way, so stay tuned. As always, I want to take a moment to thank you all for watching. The crypto space is evolving rapidly, and we're here to keep you informed every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights and updates on the hottest topics in the world of digital assets. Until next time, this is Zaki Crypto Update, your best crypto plug, signing off. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.